Welcome to Joyce's Sweet Kitchen. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how I make this my delicious sausage roll. So guys, come with me and let's get started. So viewers, let me take you through my ingredients. I have 10 large sausage that I will be using. I have half cup of sugar, 3 egg, I will be using 2, and 80 grams of melted margarine butter, 150 ml of whole milk, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of salt, a pineapple extract I will be using half teaspoon too, a instant yeast for bread. So I have 6 cups of all-purpose flour that I have sieved. So first of all, I will be mixing the dry ingredients together. So after mixing all the dry ingredients together, I will add my pineapple extract to it, mix it very well, and add my butter and mix it. Then I will add 2 eggs and leave 1 so that I will use it to rub the dough later. Then I will be adding my whole milk, mix everything together very well, and transfer it to the work surface. Sprinkle a little bit of flour and transfer it to your work surface. Knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes until everything is well incorporated, and sprinkle a little bit of flour to your container and put your dough. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on top so that it will not get dried, and allow it to rest for at least 1 hour. So after 1 hour, as you can see, my dough is right. Mix everything, knead it for about 30 minutes, and divide the dough to how many sausage that you have. If you are using half a sausage, half of this sausage, the small one, you can use half a flour and half of all these ingredients that I use. So roll it the way you see me rolling it, and put your sausage and roll your sausage around it the way I am doing it now. So I will be using my left egg to rub the on top and bake it for at least 15 to 18 minutes. And this is it, guys. As you can see, my sausage roll is baked and well cooked. So let's cut it and see inside. As you can see, the bread is well cooked and the sausage is well cooked as well. So instead of just putting sausage on top of your children's bread, you can do a sausage roll like this. It's very good and my children love it. Ever since I started doing sausage roll for them, they don't eat any other thing, any other sausage in any other way. They love sausage roll. So guys, I assure you, when you make it, your children will love it. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends and family. Give it a like and press all bell notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And follow me on my other social media platform in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you next time, and bye.